What's going on, YouTube? Got another one for you. Check this out. We all wanted those cool little locking center nuts when we were kids on our own RC cars, but could never do it. And we have some upgraded parts we need to talk about. The RPMs, both the left and right hand side steering block. Oh, the issue with these, factory, very cheap. See that little C clip right there with that pin coming through the bottom? Well, I got some good stuff in store for you guys today. This just so happens to be stuff from Ace Hardware and the AutoStar. See that little C-clip right there? It's a 3/32. 3/32 that came on this guy, since it's an older vehicle, were old and rusty, just like the motor. Don't get it wrong, she still flies. But anyway, long story short, instead of ordering your stuff online from Traxxas or from a hobby store, having to drive 17.5 hours one way to the next, you can go to the hardware store and pick yourself up some caps. I didn't do it for the rear because they don't catch the tread. But what I did do is I really don't like missing clips. So I installed the battery tower clip system to hold down the back bumper because this one didn't come with it, or any screws in the hardware mounting system. So with a little innovation, you can take your clips like so, load them on one side and load them on the other. So this way, when you are out there romping around, you don't have to worry about not having a clip. So this is the Traxxas Summit for all of you who can't read. But this is an amazing vehicle. I would highly suggest getting one. It's just like the Traxxas Stampede. Nothing more, nothing less than the Traxxas Stampede. All set up into a cool little monster truck body for all of those who don't have one. Really, really cool little gift. And they're very durable. So the upgrades are going to be done with a new ECU and a new motor, but that's going to be for another video. Again, both right and left hand side finish caps. This way it has a little style. Back onto these C-clips. These C-clips are much stronger than anything you're going to get at the hobby store. And I would highly advise picking one up. A set or two for $5. You can't go wrong. Finally, I was told that the bearing that holds the wheel on, you can see the bearing back there, are replaceable, obviously. But Fast Eddie carries a bearing set that replaces every bearing in the truck. So that's something to look for, and I'll, when found, will include in the bottom for links. But this is the Traxxas Bigfoot. Thanks, guys.